Good morning, everyone. So, in today's lecture, we are talking about lean versus agile supply chain. So, first we need to understand why it is required, and then we need to understand what is lean supply chain and agile supply chain. As you see, lean supply chain is a traditional form of supply chain, whereas agile supply chain is a newer form of supply chain. So why we need to go from traditional to the modern? Then individually we will understand what is lean supply chain and what is agile supply chain, and then we will be comparing lean and agile supply chain. So for a company looking for something to grow and maximize profit, it is important to structure a supply chain management not only around the fluctuating relationship between supply and demand, but also against the market of dynamic forces, uh, in terms of any other kind of environmental fluctuations and the customer demands. So it is very important. In today's uncertain economic environment, profit margins are often narrow, and the risk can be unforeseen. So, making good understanding of business in supply chain requirement is even more important. So, now we first take the lean supply chain. So, what is lean supply chain? See, as I told you that it is a traditional way or the factory way of supply chain, which focuses on producing high volume at low cost. So the goal of lean supply chain to add value to the customer by reducing the cost of production of goods and by lowering the wastage. So this sort of supply chain management focus on reliability and predictability rather than the flexibility and adaptability. So production is planned months or days before, in advance, rather than the adopting changing environment and uh, being your organization so flexible so that it can mold in every environment. So pre-planning is very prominent in case of lean manufacturing or lean supply chain. Whereas what is agile supply chain, it is just opposite to the lean supply chain. Agile supply chain built to highly flexible for the purpose of being able to quickly adapt the changing market situation, and this methodology is considered uh, as most important when it comes to uh, the industries related to services. So uh, if we talk about the difference between lean and agile supply chain, we will find that there are certain difference. So if we talk about the concept, lean supply chain is a traditional view of supply chain, whereas agile supply chain is newer or the contemporary model of supply chain. So on the basis of typical product, so the commodities are made in lean supply chain where there is less customization, you and the demand of the commodity become stagnant throughout year. So such commodities can be made in the form of lean supply chain, or can be maintain supply in form of lean supply chain. Whereas fashion industry or the service industry are the best examples when it comes to agile supply chain, because there is high customization is also involved. And who become the order winner in the case of lean supply chain? So who will be the price leader become the order winner in the lean supply chain, because you are producing more product at least cost. And in agile supply chain, the type of customization which is required is available to your organization, so you will take the order, or you will be the winner of the order. And if we talk about in terms of profit margin, in the lean supply chain, profit margin is very low. But in case of agile supply chain, since the flexibility is higher, you require a technical staff, more technical staff and highly skilled workers. So the cost or the profit margin become high. And the dominant, if we talk about dominant cost involved, so the physical cost, that means the cost of raw material, cost of finished good, storage, insurance, this become a prominent cost. Whereas in agile supply chain, you need not to store major inventories. So in this case, the dominant cost is your marketing and advertising cost. In when we compare in terms of purchasing policy, so lean supply chain focus on buying materials, whereas agile supply chain focus on buying capacity so that they can maximize their flexibilities. And if we compare on the basis of sharing of information, so sharing of information is not very essential when it comes to lean supply chain, because products are standardized and they are not new to the market. So you need not to inform each and every customer about it, because they are already present in the market and such products already capture the market in a larger term. But in case of agile supply chain management, the sharing of important is very much essential, because in agile supply chain, the major portion, the major cost is of marketing and advertising cost. So in sharing of information become more important. So on these uh, parameters, on the basis of which we can describe the difference between lean and agile supply chain. So this is all for the day. Thank you.